Good morning, respected ma'am and my dear friends. I am Vaibhav Singh, and my topic of presentation is Section 125 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is secular in its nature. Ma'am, first of all, we need to understand what is the true meaning of secularism in India. Secularism means equal treatment to all, irrespective of their religion. State cannot do discrimination or do favoritism on the basis of caste, creed, or religion. Section 125 of Code of Criminal Procedure says about the maintenance of wife, children, and parents. Although this section is given under criminal code, but the nature of this section is totally civil. Uh, so we can say that this section have a civil nature in the civil nature. In India, the criminal codes are unified. They are applicable for to all, irrespective of their religion. The main aim of this section is to protect the rights of wives, children, and parents, irrespective of their religion. It has no relation with personal laws. In the case of Pratima Devi versus Anand Prakash, the Supreme Court held that husband and father is duty bound to maintain their wives and children. Clause A of Section 125 of Criminal Procedure Code says that only legitimate wife or legally wedded wife can claim maintenance under this section. But in the case of Savita Sombhai Bhatia versus State of Gujarat, Supreme Court held that if the marriage declared null and void due to some mischiefs or actus reus of husband, then that husband has to pay maintenance to the wife, because he cannot be permitted to take undue advantage of his own wrong. So illegitimate wife or second wife can also claim maintenance under some circumstances. Legitimate, illegitimate, or children from living relationship can also claim maintenance till the age of 18. They can also claim after the 18, but there's some rules, like they have to be physically or mentally disabled person. uh, in the case of Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Sahabano Begum, the Supreme Court held that there is no conflict between Section 125 of CRPC, Section 125 of CRPC, and Muslim personal law. Section 125 of Code of Criminal Procedure applies to all, irrespective of their religion, caste, or creed, but Muslim personal law only applies for the Muslim. The law is equal for all. Thus, we can say that Section 125 of Criminal Procedure Code is secular, just, effective, inexpensive, and easy method to take justice for a divorced woman. To conclude myself, I would like to say that if any religion thinks that it is above all, then I would like to say that the law is above you. Thank you, ma'am.